Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something truly special for all you audio enthusiasts and professionals. If you're using the Sony MDR7506 headphones and you've noticed your earpads are worn out, you're in for a treat. This is hands down the best replacement earpad for the Sony MDR7506, the SOULWIT Earpad replacement. Let's dive right in. If you're familiar with the Sony MDR7506, you know it's a classic in the audio world. Whether you're mixing, mastering, or just enjoying your favorite tracks, these headphones are known for their precise sound and comfort. But after consistent use, the earpads can start to degrade, affecting both comfort and sound quality. That's where the SOULWIT Earpad replacement steps in to save the day. These earpads are designed to be compatible with not just the MDR7506, but also with the Sony MDR-V6, MDR-V7, and the MDR-CD900ST. So, whether you're replacing pads for the first time or giving your headphones a fresh look, these earpads are the perfect fit. The materials used in these earpads are top-notch. The soft protein leather combined with high-density foam offers an excellent balance of comfort and noise isolation. If you've been struggling with ear fatigue or external sounds leaking in, these earpads are a game-changer. They seal around your ears perfectly, enhancing the bass and providing a snug fit that helps in sound clarity. Plus, the protein leather not only feels luxurious but is built to last, giving your headphones a new lease on life. Installation is quick and easy with the detailed step-by-step guide included in the package. Most users report that it takes only about 5 minutes to get the earpads installed. It's a hassle-free experience that doesn't require any special tools. Once you've installed these earpads, your headphones will feel like brand new again, and you'll notice a significant improvement in sound quality. In terms of durability, SOULWIT has really nailed it with these earpads. The high-density foam ensures that they hold up well under heavy use, making them perfect for both casual listeners and professional audiophiles alike. Plus, they're designed to be comfortable for long listening sessions, so you won't have to worry about discomfort during extended periods of use. What I love about these earpads is that they don't compromise on sound quality. Unlike some cheaper alternatives, these earpads won't muffle the sound or affect the clarity. The cushioning actually enhances the overall listening experience, providing a more immersive sound that's perfect for all genres of music. To wrap things up, if you're looking to replace your old, worn-out earpads for your Sony MDR7506 headphones, the SOULWIT Earpad replacement is the best option available. It combines comfort, durability, and sound enhancement at an affordable price. Whether you're a casual listener or a professional, these earpads will elevate your audio experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.